What is going on YouTube? You join me in the home office. Bob is currently working on some invoices. Go in the comments and leave a comment for Bob because my daughter absolutely loves that. So, if you haven't seen the last videos, you've got the Audi A3 that is now fully done, MOT'd, for sale. It's everywhere. 2.5 grand, and the final bill was £536. The car was 180. 2.5 grand, nice margin. So A3 done, ready. Then the second video, we were setting up the business, so on company's house, registering everything. That was the second video, that is now done. Then the third video was pretty much setting up the home office and just taking L's left, right and centre. But we now do have a business bank account. So in the, not the next video, but the video after, we are progressing. We're in business, we are buying cars. Today's video, we're about to jump into a Renault Scenic that I bought for £173, and she sold me the car so cheap because she wanted me to save the car. His name's Hugo. He needs a bit of love. So let's jump into today's video. Let's go. So, as you can see, the car just needs a really good wash, and I'm in a really good wash. Polish the headlights, polish the car, and I think with a quick hoover, we're gonna make £800 today of just cleaning that car. We've the TT, that is just waiting for some money so that we can get the turbo done, but I do not have turbo money right now. Noisy lorry. Kia, all good, obviously needs an MOT soon. We're about to jump into the Renault, and then the Audi is sat just there, and the BMW is currently having the hybrid turbos, so when that thing comes back, that will be an absolute rocket ship, but it will need to be sold so that we can buy some more stock. That's where we're at. I'm going to get everything set up, and I'll see you in a minute. So don't judge me, we are still cleaning out of a box. We have now got a jet wash so we can clean the cars properly. So let's jump into the jet wash. Let's just nearly fell over. Let's get this thing super clean and get on them headlights. So what's the old saying? Wash the car, you had £500 to the value? Definitely worth £500 more. Those wheels nearly beat me, nearly. But as you can see, the paint now looks decent. The wheels look awesome. And what I've also seen is all the tyres on this are new, and so are the front brakes. So somebody loved this enough to spend 4 tyres and front brakes, so £400, £500, £600. Hopefully I've got the receipt in the paperwork. Let's carry on.
She stole a smile and my heart responded. She's everything I never knew I wanted. And money won't buy her happiness. Yeah, she's my kind of glamorous. Natural beauty, what it's all about. Tell something to me, can't figure it out. I never thought that I would find someone.
So these headlights are pretty much KO'd. You're not really picking it up. There you go. So that's damage to the outside lacquer. So obviously I've sanded it, abolished it. It's good enough for an MOT, not going to have a problem. But that was just 1,200 grit and polish. So this side I've got a headlight restoration kit. So let's give that a go and see the difference. Right, that's lunch done. So, clay bar. The car is looking seriously good, so we're going to give it a quick clay, a buff, and then we're going to have ourselves an amazing £1,000 car. So, 5 hours, the outside's done. I've just put a coat of the Maguire's gold wax on that I had left over in the shed. So let's have a little look. You're not going to be able to see the finished product until the end because it's got the wax on it. Tyre gel's done. Wheels are, I've gone over them again. All the paintwork is super glossy. Glass has been cleaned. Trim's polished. This is a bit over the top for a £1,000 car. I've waxed up the headlights. So, I'm gonna leave you with the finished car, the cutaways, everything done. Like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bob says bye, and we out.
Top, all the way to bottom of the map, I've seen it all. It can all toss your way, don't get attached to the current spin, no flurries. The rhythm won't worry if you fall behind. I'll be home until you hurry.